Clare's law. Did you know that there's a law that says you have the right to get information about potentially harmful people? If you're worried that you are maybe at risk of domestic violence or stalking, breach of no contact orders, harassment, sexual assault, or even if there is a risk of violence to other people outside of your relationship, you have what is called the right to ask. It's generally called Clare's Law, named after Clare Wood, who was brutally murdered by her boyfriend, who had a history. The police knew about it, but she didn't. It does have different names in different regions, but it's still your right to find out, your right to ask. And it's not a perfect solution, but here's the idea. If you know more, then you can make better decisions about how to handle your situation. It's a background check. Now, in many cases, this can also apply to a neighbor, a friend, a relative. The idea is, do you think that maybe this person could become violent in the future? Now, if the situation is immediate, call the police. If it's not an emergency right now, but it's on your mind, this is how you find out for sure. You can apply online. You can ask for a friend, just so long as you have their consent. And I love this because it means we don't have to do everything all by ourselves. We can get help. And the person being investigated will not be told what you were asking. If this might be you, search for Clare's Law or reach out to us and we'll help. Please share this. Sometimes just knowing can make the difference.